going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example on second order homogeneous linear differential equations with constant coefficients. Okay, here we have 4y double prime minus 5y prime minus 6y is equal to 0. The first thing is we have to write a characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is when we have second order, we replace that one with r square. So this is going to become, the coefficient remain the same, 4r square, and if it's first derivative, we replace that one with r, 5r, and then here we don't have any derivative. It means this is zeroth order. Zeroth order mean we don't have to put any r right here, but we have to put the coefficient in front, that is 6. This is equal to 0. Now the next thing is we have to factor this one. To factor this one, you can think it like there are many different ways to factor. I give you one of the method. One of the method is you can think it like 4r times like 4r square. What if you multiply what two terms, that can give you 4r square. There are many different terms you can write. I'm going to write 4r times r, and I'm going to justify at the end. If you are doing first time, sometimes you might not get the clue, but if you recognize this method, it will be easier by time. Okay, here 4r that gives us 4r square. The next thing is we have to think like what if we multiply what two terms, that will give -6. 3 and -2 will work. Now let's go ahead and justify this one. Here 4r times -2, you have to do the cross multiplication like this and like this. Okay, 4r times -2, 4r times -2, that's going to be -8r, and then r times 3, that is 3r. When you add them together, you are getting -5r. That's what in the middle. So if you are getting this one, it means this combination is correct. 4r r 3 -2 is correct. So we can go ahead and continue. In this one, what are we going to do is 4r plus 3, 4r plus 3, and r minus 2. Those are the two things that's going to be factor. That's equal to 0. From this one, we can solve for r, and if we solve for r is going to be -3/4, and then the next thing is going to be r is equal to 2. Okay, now from this one we can directly write our answer. The general solution of the differential equation. There are three types of general solution. It's based on the roots. If we have distinct real root, it's going to be one format. If we have equal real roots like repeating real roots, that's going to be another format. And also if we have complex number, there's another format for this one. Since we have distinct real roots, it means two different real roots, we are going to have a solution like this. It's going to look like this. First we will have a constant e power -3/4t and another constant, and we multiply this r2 by that 2 times t. Okay, that's it. That's our final solution. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.